A fitness and wellness industry is booming, but you don't need to own a gym to get in. Here are 10 AI-powered business ideas you can start for under $1,000. Number 1. AI Personalized Workout Plan Generator. Use AI to create custom routines based on body type, goals, and available equipment. Sell monthly plans online. No in-person training required. Number 2. Virtual Fitness Coach with AI Messaging. Build a chatbot that checks in with your clients daily, reminding them to move, hydrate, and stay on track. Number 3. Meal Plan Generator for Diet Goals. Use AI to build personalized meal plans based on calories, allergies, and preferences. Sell them a la carte or bundle with coaching. Number 4. AI-powered mindfulness and journaling app. Use GPT to deliver daily prompts or guided meditations. Monetize with subscriptions or a premium upgrade. If you're launching a fitness or wellness brand, you need a strong online presence, fast. That's where EngineShark.com comes in. They'll build your website, logo, automation tools, and more, so you can launch like a pro without hiring an expensive team. Whether it's a fitness app, a digital product, or a virtual coaching brand, Engine Shark gets you live fast and affordably. Click the link in the description to bring your business to life the smart way. Number 5. Voice AI Meditation and Breathing Coach. Create relaxing audio experiences with AI voice tools. Sell through Gumroad, your site, or bundle in a wellness package. Number 6. AI Content Generator for Fitness Influencers. Use AI to batch create social content, workouts, recipes, motivational posts, and sell it as a service. Number 7. Wellness Newsletter with AI Curation. Pull trending tips, products, and research with AI, then monetize through affiliate links or sponsors. Number 8. Body Transformation Visualization Tool. Use AI to show projected body changes based on fitness goals. It's a powerful upsell for coaches and trainers. Number 9. AI-powered client progress dashboards. Track workouts, meals, progress photos, and milestones with tools like Notion AI or Glide, and customize it for each client. Number 10. ChatGPT-powered wellness course creator. Write full online courses or ebooks on topics like weight loss, gut health, or sleep optimization, and sell them under your brand. The fitness industry is evolving, and with AI, you can launch smarter, faster, and leaner than ever. Like, share, and subscribe, and head to EngineShark.com to get your wellness brand live today.